From pink hummus to chocolate hummus, here are 5 quirky hummus variants in Dubai we bet you haven't tried. Hummus. A humble dip made of chickpeas has remained a favorite in the Middle Eastern cuisine. However, with the evolution being the key in the food industry, hummus has also undergone a simple yet creative makeover and we're loving it. Number 1. The chocolate hummus. If you are craving for something sweet but don't want to indulge much, then the chocolate hummus is perfect for you. Have it as an appetizer or a dessert, it's your pick. Earlier, KCAL launched a range of dessert hummus treats made up of 3 flavors including chocolate hazelnut, chocolate peanut butter and mocha. And oh, we're already drooling. Number 2. Red pepper hummus. This one's more than just a dip. Bursting with flavors and leaving behind a sweet aftertaste, red pepper hummus is the perfect addition to a meal. You can try this delicious variant at Barcelata or opt for the pre-packed version retailed at the Honest Counter and Lulu Hypermarket. Paired with a pita bread or with nachos, they taste good either way. Number 3. Sweet potato hummus. Sweet potato hummus is all about 2 soulful dishes mixed. While you may not like the sweet potato hummus in one go, but once you acquire a taste for it, you'll certainly relish it. This variant is made by roasting and baking the sweet potatoes first before blending it with tahini, garlic, olive oil, salt and lemon. You can even attempt a curried version of the dish by adding a bit of curry powder to the roast or the blending process. Have this with pita bread or just as a side dish. Number 4. Beetroot hummus. What makes beetroot hummus an absolute favorite in parties is the bright and peppy pink color, besides the lip-smacking flavor, of course. The variant is perfect for health freaks out there. Somewhere in Dubai Mall serves the best beetroot hummus in Dubai. The hummus bar also boasts of dishes such as guacamole hummus, jalapeno bell pepper hummus, and one with black Angus beef. Number 5. Jalapeno hummus. The Hummus House, the famous chickpea-obsessed restaurant in JLT, does the best hummus in town. And the jalapeno hummus is perfect if you like a sharp, peppery kick to go with your bread. Also, if you're up to add some quirk to the good old hummus, you know where to head.